Morning, I just got up today and I'm going to head towards the college. I got up and I got ready. I took a bath and I'm totally fresh to leave towards college. So today my college schedule is pretty good because I have one class, then another class the teacher is not taking, then I have break after that, then I have one more class and the last class is not going to be taken. So I should be home around 11ish, like I'll leave around 10. So yeah, let's see how the day goes today. तो गाइज अब मैं जैसे मैंने सुबह बोला था कि मेरा जो है ना नहीं लेगा तो मेरा जो है ना आज पहला क्लास जो था वो इंग्लिश था और उसमें भी वी हैड अ सब्स्टिट्यूशन टीचर एंड देन वी हैड टू राइट एन एसे आई रोट इट लाइक फॉर लाइक आई जस्ट फिनिश्ड इट इन 30 minutes and then we could leave. So now I'm just roaming around with my friends. See you all later. I'm having this desi pops. Let's see how it is.
अभी आदित्य चूज करेगा चॉकलेट्स.
मेरा आग बंद नहीं होता ठीक से. अच्छा ये आम I'm gonna try first.
Can you move back?
I'm gonna move back.
Give us a review.
I'll give you a
हाँ पेस्ट्री का रिव्यू कर रहा है. बाटर को लैब भी नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. Honest review. इनका फ्लेवर नहीं है.
It's not how the way it was when I was a kid.
चलना है उधर.
It was totally different.
Do you like it? No.
Okay. If you really want something masaledar after you eat your food.
I think that the one which comes in which is wrapped in plastic. No.
That is better.
That imli flavored. That is too good
That is
actually.
very good. I don't know. I think you still find it, but
I know.
Where to get it, I don't know.
No, we still
mostly
get it
main
here.
city in Uttara Bangalore.
Yeah. Here only we get in Bangalore. Here only in few stores we'll get.
Really?
Yeah.
Trust me, बहुत अच्छा है.
रिव्यू में अब जाके
I was really disappointed with the almond flavor. There's jeera and imli in it and I love it. All of us want to watch, listen to.
फिर हमारा
All of us want to listen to some songs and Belita wants to listen her own songs in some different language. What do you have to say about that, Belita? इसके नखरे जो है ना. Okay, so this is gonna be my snack now. This is basically, Mama, what is this called? It's called appe. Yeah, I just had a piece. It's really yummy. It's called rava. It's made out of rava and this is some spiced curd with it. I'm gonna have that now. Hello guys, we're heading towards the gym and every day, I'll show you the weather. It gets cloudy, but it never rains. In Bangalore, almost every area has experienced rain except Shanti Nagar, SR Nagar and Banshankari. And a little bit few more other areas. And I feel the rain is telling that it's saving its rain for the last because at few areas it's only drizzling. Hopefully it will rain here like heavily. Hopefully I'm praying. Indra Devta हमको चाहिए अच्छी सी बारिश. देखेंगे क्या होगा. Prachi, say hello to my vlog. She also we're going. So Prachi has finally agreed to come on the vlog on demand. Say hello to my people from. We're going to eat something. We're on the way to the gym. Look at the view. It looks so beautiful, right? There's like a coconut tree and it's cloudy, and hopefully the weather stays like this forever. Like why don't it stay? I mean, it should stay. At least till October it should stay like this now. The amount of heat it has given. No, right, Prachi? It should stay till October and Bangalore's nazar that has people have put should go. To be honest, we are complaining about Bangalore's weather, but to be like other states have higher, temperatures compared to Bangalore. It is the first time that even Bangalore has, come outside its temperature zones that the temperature ranges.
First time it was more than 35 degrees.
Yeah, first time it was more than 35 degrees and there was a possibility that it would reach to 40 and it would pass even 40, right?
Yeah, but it didn't.
But it didn't, luckily. it respected the.
Maybe no. Now it won't. Now it become.
It will never. Now I don't think there are any chances that Bangalore. It's slowly moving towards monsoon, and by May it'll start showering. June though it'll have like a proper thing, but I'll not be here in June.
I will be here. My
Mostly I'll
birthday.
go to Maharashtra, or I will be going to a very spiritual place, which I will let you know. Okay guys, I'm done with the gym. So today at the gym, I didn't do anything, like I didn't do any weightlifting. I just did cardio and I did a little bit of stretching. I do stretching after my whatever, even if I do weightlifting, I do stretching after that. I don't do proper weightlifting, no? I don't know what is it called, but it's like an intermediate level. So I do stretching after that because it helps with your muscle and it doesn't cause muscle cramps after your workout. Today I'm gonna go back home, get ready, and Prachi is gonna prepare yummy salads for me. So yeah, see you at home. Mama has made this yummy rava dosa with some lonsa with it, and I love it. Some chana salad made by Prachi. So yeah. Prachi has made pani puri, and we're gonna enjoy it now. Also, I'm ending my vlog today here. See you later. Jai Hind.